ሰላም ቤተሰብ እንኳን ወደ ብርሃን አካዳሚ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል በሰላም መጣችሁ። ዛሬ እንግዲህ ለ12ኛ ክፍል የኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ሊያዘጋጃቸው የሚችሉ የእንግሊዝኛ ጥያቄዎች ነው የምንሰራው ማለት ነው። ጥያቄዎችም ቴንስ ላይ ነው የሚያተኩሩት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ 50 አካባቢ ጥያቄዎች አሉ ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ደግሞ እናንተን በደንብ ያዘጋጃሉ ብዬ አመንኳቸው ናቸው። ስለዚህ ጥያቄዎችን በጋራ እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። መጀመሪያ እናንተ ትሞክራላችሁ፣ በመጨረሻ ላይ እኔ እሰራላችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ወይም ኮስችን ናምበር 1 ስንሄድ by the time we arrived the meeting blank a had ended, b has ended, c ended, d was ending. Can you try? What's your answer? The meeting, by the time we arrived the meeting blank. A has ended, B had ended, C ended, D was ending. So what's your answer? So the answer is, by the time we arrived, the meeting had ended. So B is the answer. ምክንያቱም by the time we arrived, the meeting had ended ማለት ምንድን ነው? የሚል ፈርስት አክሽን ነው። ይህ ፈርስት አክሽን ነው። ፈርስት አክሽን ይህ ምንድን ነው? ሰከንድ አክሽን ሶ the first action በምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? በፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሰከንድ ደግሞ በሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምንድነው? ሲምፕል ፓስት so this one is past perfect tense. Past perfect. Okay, 2. Question number 2. If she blank harder, she would have passed the exam. A. Studied. B. Studies. C. Had studied. D. Has studied. So what's your answer? What's your answer here from the 4 options? Can you try? Can you put your answer? Put your answer. Yes, your answer. If she blank harder, she would have passed the exam. Studied, has studied, D has studied. What's your answer? Yes? That's conditional sentence, you know? Do you remember conditional sentence? Yes? So from this one, if she blank harder, she would have passed an exam. That is type 3 conditional sentence. So C is the answer. Had studied is answer. Question number 3. This time next week, I blank in Addis Ababa. A. Will work. B. I'm working. C. Will be working. D. Have worked. What is your answer? By this time next week, I blank in Addis Ababa. A. Will work. B. I'm working. C. Will be working. D. Have worked. So what's your answer? Can you put your answer? Yes. Okay. So by this time next week, I blank in Addis Ababa. So the answer is will be working. That is a progress action. Okay, that is definite progress action that will happen in the future at exact time. What you call the future present continuous tense. So C is the answer. Will be working. What about number 4? She blank English for 10 years before she moved to Canada. A. Studied. B. Had studied. C. Had been studied. D. Was studied. She blank English for 10 years before she moved to Canada. A. Studied. B. Had studied. C. Had been studying. D. Was studying. Yes. So the answer is C. The answer is C. No matter she blank English for 10 years before she moved to Canada. You know that is simple past tense. Second action. I mean first action. First action A. First action. First action. In simple past tense. Simple past. This is the first action. የተጠየቅነው ነው first action A. First action. First action. Action. In which past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect. ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒስ ቴንስ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ ካናዳ ከመራው በፊት እንግሊዝኛ ታወራ ነበር፣ አጥንታለች ማለት ነው። ሶ ሳን አክሽን ዛት ሃፐን ኢን ዘ ፓስት ቢፎር ኤኒ አናዘር አክሽን ኤንድ ዘ አክሽን ኮንቲኒስ አዝ አ ፕሬዘንት ታይም እስካሁን የቀጠለው ድርጊት ማለት ነው። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ ዘ አንሰር። ምንድነው ኦርደር ኦፍ አክሽን ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር አክሽን አለ፣ የሆነ አክሽን አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ የሆነ አክሽን አለ። ሶ የመጀመሪያው አክሽን በፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ወይም በፓስት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒስ ቴንስ ኢንተርፕሬት ሲደረግ ዘ ኢርሊየር አክሽን ወይም ሰከንድ አክሽን ደግሞ ዊዝን በሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ሞቭድ ቱ ካናዳ የሚለው ምንድነው የቪቱ ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ ምንድነው የሰከንድ አክሽን ነው፣ ይሄ ደግሞ ፈርስት አክሽን ነው። ስለዚህ የተጠየቀ ነው ዘ ፈርስት አክሽን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ ዘ አንሰር ሲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወደ question number 5 ስንሄድ question number 5 ምን ይላል? question number 5 I blank him since 2020. A. didn't see. B. haven't seen. C. hadn't seen. D. don't see. What's your answer for this question? I blank him since 2020. A. I didn't see. B. haven't seen. C. hadn't seen. D. don't see. So since እዚህ ጋር ካለ ምንድን ነው since perfect tense ይሆናል ማለት ነው። perfect tense አለ ማለት ነው። so the subject ምንድን ነው that is first plural first person plural የምንለው ማለት ነው። so ምንድን ነው perfect tense የሆነው ከዚህ ጋር and plural የሆነው verb ምንድን ነው መውሰድ ማለት ነው። so haven't seen, hadn't seen, don't see ይላል። so B haven't seen ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እሺ ስድስተኛ hardly the station when the train left. hardly blank the station when the train left? A. Had we reached? B. We had reached. C. Reached we? D. We have we reached ይላል። So what's your answer? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? እዚህ ጋር መናገር የምፈልገው ነገር ምንድን ነው? የሃርድሊ ዩዝ ነው። ሃርድሊ you know, hardly plus past perfect. Perfect, past perfect, inversion, and version, inversion. ይችን ፎርም ያዝ ነው። ሃርድሊ ፕላስ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ኢንቨርሽን ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሃርድሊ የሚል ቃል ስላለ እዚህ ጋር ሃርድሊ ይችን ቃል ነው ማስመር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄ ሲኖር ሃርድሊ ብላንክ ዘ ስቴሽን when the train left. A. Had we reached? B. We had reached. C. Reached we? D. Have we reached? So our answer will be what? Hardly plus past perfect inversion ነው። So which one is past perfect inversion የትኛው ነው? A ይሆናል ማለት ነው። A had we reached is past perfect tense with what? Inversion. So A ይሆናል መልሳችን ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ይሄኛው we had reached የሚለው ምንድን ነው? ኢንቨርዥን አይደለም። reached we የሚለው ደግሞ simple past inversion ነው። I have we reached የሚለው ደግሞ present perfect tense ነው። So hardly plus past perfect ኢንቨርዥን ስለሚሆን ፎርሙ ኤ had we reached is the answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። መልሳችን ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሰባተኛ ነች። No sooner blank home than it started training. A. I had reached. B. Had I reached? C. Have I reached? A. I reached. Can you try your answer? Yes? Can you try? Can you put your answer? እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ምንድን ነው the use of no sooner እናያለን ማለት ነው። no sooner እችን ቃል ነው ብቻ አሁን ቃል ማየት ነው። እዚኛ ላይ በተለይ ቴንስ ላይ ታይም ኢንዲኬተር እና አንዳንድ ወርዶች ማየት ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ no sooner no sooner የሚለውን ፎርሙን እናያለን ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ይህን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ የዚህን ቃል እንትን ማወቅ አለብን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው ፕላስ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ኢንቨርሽን ልክ እንደ ሃርድሊ ቅድም እንዳየነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ no sooner በዚህ ነው የምንለየው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ no sooner ፕላስ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ፕላስ ኢንቨርሽን ሆኖ ምንድን ነው ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ከሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከነዚህ መካከል ፓስት ፐርፌክት የሆነው ማን ነው? had I reached እና I had reached ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኢንቨርሽን የሆነው ኢንቨርሽን የሆነው የትኛው ነው? had I reached. So B is the answer. B መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, number 8. Question number 9. Math 8. The students blank their work before the teacher arrived. The students blank their work before the teacher arrived. A. Complete. B. Have completed. C. Had complete. D. Complete. So can you try? Can you put your answer before I'm going to do it? Yes, what's your answer? The students blank their work before the teacher arrived. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ሲኩዌንስ ኦፍ አክሽን አክሽን አለ። ሲኩዌንስ ኦፍ አን አክሽን እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ቢፎር ዘ ቲቸር አራይቭድ የሚለው ምንድነው? ይሄ ቢፎር ፎር ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ኖርማሊ ይሄኛው ምንድነው እስከዚህ ድረስ ያለው እስከዚህ ያለው ምንድነው ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ማለት ነው። ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ስለዚህ የቀረው ዘ ስቱደንትስ ብላንክ ዜር ወርክ ቢፎር ዘ ቲቸር አራይቭድ። ስለዚህ አናዘር ከዚህኛው አክሽን ቀድሞ የነበረ ሌላ አክሽን አለ ማለት ነው። ያኛው አክሽን ምንድነው? ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ተብሎ ይጠራል። ስለዚህ ከነዚህ መካከል ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ሆኖ ማለት ነው ሲ ሃድ ኮምፕሊት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሃድ ኮምፕሊትድ ሶ ቢ አይ ሚን ሲ ኢዝ አንሰር ሲ ኢዝ አንሰር ኢፍ ዮር አንሰር ኢዝ ሲ ዩ አር ራይት። Question number 9. Question number 9. At 8 p.m. yesterday, I blank a movie. A. Watch it. B. Have watched it. C. Was watching. D. Had watched it. So can you try? What's your answer? At 8 p.m. yesterday, I blank a movie. A. Watch it. B. Have watched it. C. Was watching. D. Had watched it. Yes. So yesterday that's simple past tense indicator. Simple past tense indicator. Simple past tense past time indicator. ኢንዲኬተር ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ የሆነ ማለት ነው ኤ ዊችድ ማለት ነው። ኤ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ አስረኛ ባይ ኔክስት የር ሺ ብላንክ ሄር ዲግሪ ባይ ኔክስት የር ሺ ብላንክ ሄር ዲግሪ ኤ ኮምፕሊትስ ቢ ኮምፕሊትድ ሲ ዊል ሃቭ ኮምፕሊትድ ዲ ሃዝ ኮምፕሊትድ what is the answer? By next year, she blank her degree. A. Completes. B. Completed. C. Would have completed. D. Has completed. So what's your answer? Can you put your answer? So from this, that is indicates the future time. So by the next year, it is indicated that's the future time. So from the given alternative, it is for simple present tense, it is for simple past tense, and it is for present perfect tense. So we'll have completed the remaining is the answer. So if your answer is C, you are correct. So C is the answer. Okay, question number 11. He acts as if he blank everything. A. Knows. B. Knew. C. Had known. D. Knowing. He acts as if he blank everything. A. Knows. B. Knew. C. Had known. D. Knowing. So what is your answer? Yes. ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር as if so expressing present situation, present situation situation and uses and it uses simple past tense, simple past tense. as if እንግዲህ ይቺ ማለት ነው። as if የምትለው ቃል ማለት ነው። as if expressing present situation and it uses simple past tense express የሚያደርገው ምንድነው present situation ነው። ነገር ግን it uses the simple past tense. So B is a correct answer because it uses simple past tense ተብለናል and it is used to express the present situation. So B knew is the answer. So he acted as he knew everything. So B is the correct answer. Question number 12. If I blank you, I would not do that. A, B, was, C, where, D, had been. That's a conditional sentence. Type 2 conditional sentence, you know, that is unreact condition. So what's your answer? It's very easy exam or question. A, B, was, C, where, D, had been. If I blank you, I would not do that. Was, where, had been. Yes? So if your answer is C, you are right. C. So C is the answer. Question number 13. That is 13. The train blank before we go there. The train blank before we go there. A, left. B, had left. C, has left. D, leaves. So ይሄኛው ምንድን ነው? Simple past tense. Simple past. Simple past tense ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ another action አለ ከዚህ በፊት ማለት ነው። The train blank before we go there. ከትሬን ከመሄዳችን በፊት the train ምንድን ነው? had left ሆኗል ማለት ነው። ሄዷል ማለት ነው። So another past perfect tense አለን ማለት ነው። The order of action ማየት የሚያስፈልገን ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ይሄኛው we go there ማለት simple past tense ነው። ስለዚህ before this one there is another event of an action. We can express this event of an action by using the tense what you call past perfect tense. So B is had left is the answer. ይሄ ነው መልሳችን ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም has left ነው የሆነው left መሆናችን ፕሬዘንት ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው። ስለዚህ ከሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ቀድሞ የሚመጣ አክሽን ምንድን ነው? past perfect tense ነው ማለት ነው። So had left is the answer. So if your answer is had left, you are right. 14. When I entered the room, they blank dinner. A, had. B, were having. C, have had. D, had. When I enter the room, they blank the dinner. This is simple action. The simple past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past. Simple past tense. So when I enter the room, they blank here. Had, were having, have had. So that is in the short action. Short action. So if there is short action, another long action አለ። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ የሚጠየቀው ነው long action። ስለዚህ long action is interpret ነው ምንድነው? past continuous tense. past continuous tense. So from the alternative A up to D past continuous tense ይሆናል ነው B ማለት ነው። So when I enter the room ወደ ሩም ስገባ they blank dinner were having. So were having ይሆናል ማለት ነው። B is the correct answer. If your answer is B, you are right. Um, 15. Question number 15. He belonged in this company since 2018. A. Works. B. Worked. C. Has worked. D. Had worked. What is your answer? Yes? What is your answer? He belonged in his company since 2018. Since ለምን ነው? Present? Present. Present. Perfect. Perfect tense ነው ማለት ነው። So has worked ይሆናል ማለት ነው። C. So if your answer is C, you are right. Question number 16. The patient blank by the doctor before the operation began. The patient blank by the doctor before the operation began. A. Examined. B. Had been examined. C. Was examined. D. has examined. So ምንድነው አንደኛው ሾርት አክሽን ነው። ይሄ ምንድነው ሾርት አክሽን ወይም ደግሞ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ አለ። ሲምፕል ፓስት አለ። ስለዚህ ቢፎር ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ማን አለ? ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ አለ ማለት ነው። ኤስ ሶ had been examined ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So B is the correct answer. If your answer is B, you are right. Okay, question number 17. Neither of the boys blank finished the assignment. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. D. Were. So what's your answer? Yes. What is your answer? A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. D. Were. So can you put your answer? What's your answer? Assume you are on exam. Yes. So neither suppose. So we are using this neither for singular. ሲንጉላር ነው የምንጠቀምበት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ማነው ቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። because finished the assignment ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 18. By the end of this month, we blank her for 5 years. A. We live. B. Will have lived. C. Live it. D. Have lived. By the end of this month, we blank her for 5 years. A. Will live. B. Will have lived. C. Lived. D. Have lived. So what's your answer? by the end of. So by the end of this time indicator, actually use that is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense ነው የምጠቀመውና future perfect tense. So B is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer. If you are B, you are right. Question number 19. I wish I blank French. A. No. B. New. C. Have known. D. Have known. What is the answer? What is your answer? Yes? So እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው wish plus ምንድነው past tense past tense ማለት ነው። So I wish blank a French. So B is the correct answer because wish plus ምንድነው simple past tense ነው ማለት ነው። Yes, simple past tense. So B is the answer. Question number 20. She looked tired because she blank all night. A. Worked. C. Has worked. B has worked. C had been working. D was working. So what is your answer? She looked tired because she blank all night. ስለዚህ ምንድነው አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኦርደር ፋክሽን ነው። ኦርደር ፋክሽን ይሄ ምንድነው ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ሲምፕል ፓስት። ስለዚህ ከሲምፕል ፓስት ቀጥሎ የሚመጣ ማን አለ? ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይባላል። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ አለ። ስለዚህ ሺ ሉክድ ታየርድ ቢኮዝ ሺ ብላንክ ኦል ናይት። ስለዚህ እሷ የደከመችበት ምክንያት እሷ ሁሌ ስለምትሰራ ነበር። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ምንድን ነው ትሰራ ነበር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ መስራት አለ፣ ከዚያ ደግሞ መድከም አለ። ሰው ኦርደር ኦፍ አክሽን ማየት ነው። ቴንስ ጥያቄ ለመመለስ ኦርደር ኦፍ አክሽን ማየት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል? had been working ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ C is the correct answer. If you said yes, you are correct. Yes. Okay. 21. Had he informed me early, I blank attended. A. Would. B. Would have. C. Will have. D. Had. So what's your answer? Can you put your answer? So what's your answer? Had he informed me earlier, I blank attended. So this is normally conditional sentence. So would have his answer. Had he informed me earlier, I would have attended. So B is the correct answer. 22. The moment we arrived, the show blank. began, has begun, had begun, begins. The moment we arrived, the show blank. The moment እንግዲህ ምንድን ነው ይሄ ሳይሞንቴስ አክሽን ይባላል። at the same time action occur at the same time action is occurred at the same time so ምንድን ነው the moment he arrived ይሄ ምንድን ነው simple past tense simple past tense so የቀረው ምንድን ነው simple past tense ብለን ነው ማለት ነው simple past tense parallel action so simple past ሆነ ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር began a ማለት ነው so a is the correct answer 23 the house blank when we reached there a burns b burned c was burning d had burned so what's your answer did you put your answer did you put so that is simple past ምንድን ነው የተሰጠን simple past it is a short action ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ምን ይሆናል መልሱ ሎንግ አክሽን ማለት ነው ሎንግ አክሽን ኢንተርፕሬት የሚሆነው በፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ ነው ሾርት አክሽን ደግሞ በሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው እዚህ ጋር ሎንግ አክሽን አክሽን በማን ነው ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ past continuous tense ስለዚህ ከዚህ ጋር ሎንግ አክሽኑ ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ ስለሚሆን ሲ ይሆናል ማለት ሲ so the house blank when we reached there the burns be burning she was burning they had burned so C is the correct answer okay 24 he blank for 2 hours when I called him A. Straight B. Had been studying C. Stress D. Has studied so what's your answer can you put your answer so the same is true that as I did in the first part of example እንደዚያ simple past tense simple past is second action ስለዚህ ፈርስት አክሽን አለ ሌላ ማለት እዚህ ጋር ምን አለ ፈርስት አክሽን አለ ማለት ነው so the first action is interpreted with what past perfect tense ይሆናል ማለት so B is the correct answer if your answer is B you got the answer uh 25 scarcely blank the announcement when everyone started cheering A. Had they heard B. They heard C. Have they heard D. They had heard So what's your answer? So uh, plus past perfect inversion ማለት ነው። ሶ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ሆኖ ኢንቨርት የሆነ እንመርጣለን ማለት ነው። had they heard they heard have they heard they had heard. So A is answer. A. Had they heard is past perfect tense with an inversion. Okay, 26. I blank him tomorrow. See, I'm seeing, saw, have seen. What's your answer? So I blank him tomorrow. That is an future agent action. ምንድነው? future tense ነው። That he would like to see him in appointment. ስለዚህ ምንድነው? B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። B. I am seeing him. That is the use of present continuous tense for that future definite action. ስለዚህ I am seeing him tomorrow ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, let's proceed to the next question. That is 26, 27. By the time she graduated, she blank 4 languages. By the time she graduated, she blank 4 languages. A. Learned. B. Learned. C. Will have learned. D. Has learned. So what's your answer? So to answer this question, you have to look this one, this time indicator. By the time, you know, by the time, by the time, by the time. Indicates a future, a future perfect tense. ጥያቄ ሁሌም ትመጣለች ቴንስ። ሶ ከዚህ መካከል ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ቴንስ የሆነውን ጥያቄ ምንድን ነው? ቾይስ መምረጥ ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሲ ውድ ሃቭ ለርንድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ኢፍ ዩ አር ሴድ ሲ ዩ አር ራይት። ኦኬ 28ኛ the teacher demands that he blank the assignment immediately. The teacher demands that he blank the assignment immediately. A. Submitted. B. Submitted. C. Submit. D. Will submit. So the teacher demands that he blank the assignment immediately. Submitted. Submit. Submit. Will submit here. So what's your answer? Can you try? Can you put your answer? Yes. What's your answer? So can you put your answer here? Yes. What's your answer? Finish. So that's the demand. እዚህ ጋር ዲማንድ ነው። so this demand እነዚህ እንደነዚህ አይነት ወርዶች እንደሚወስዱት ቤዝ ቨርብ ነው። ቤዝ ቨርብ ማለት ኤስን ያልጨመረ ወይም ደግሞ ኤስ ወይም ኤስ ያልጨመረ ወይም ፓስት ቴንስ ያልሆነ ወይም ፊውቸር ያልሆነ ቤዝ ቨርብ ብቻ የሚወስድ ማለት ነው። so ቪ አይ ሚን ሲ ኢዝ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር። ሲ ነው መልሳችን ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ አይነት እና ሌላ ቨርቦችም አሉ። ዲማንድ ስላለ ሳሚንት ቤዝ ቨርብ ነው። ቢ1 ብቻ ነው የሚወስድ። ኢት ቴክስ ምንድነው? ዲማንድ 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 ቴክስ 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 ቤዝ ቨርብ ቤዝ ቨርብ ሰው ምንድነው? ሳሚት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 29 here. If only I blank more carefully yesterday. Where, had been, have been. So what's your answer? Yes? If only. So do you know the use of if only? If only plus had plus ቪስተሪ ነው ማለት ነው። እቺ ነው ያዘው በቃ እቺ ነው ያዘው። ኤስ ስለዚህ had been ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሲ okay, certain. Not until he apologized. Blank willing to speak to him. She was she is she. So what's your answer for this one, for this question? So that is past tense ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። was she ይሆናል ማለት ነው። was she ማለት ነው። Okay, 31. The workers blank the bridge before the deadline. A. Complete. B. Had completed. C. Have completed. D. Complete. So ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው? ሰከንድ አክሽን አለ። ሰከንድ አክሽን ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት የነበረ አክሽን መጥቀስ ማለት ነው። So what's your answer? So እዚህ ጋር ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? እዚህ ጋር ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ መጠቀም ማለት ነው። ሶ ሃድ ኮምፕሊት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ቢ ኦኬ 32ኛ ሺ ብላንክ her homework before going to bed every day. Finishes, has finished, D finished. So what's your answer? She blank her homework before going to bed. So ምንድነው? ቢፎር እንግዲህ ይህ ምንድነው? ሰከንድ አክሽን ነው። ሰከንድ አክሽን ሰከንድ አክሽን። ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት የነበረ አክሽን አለ። ከማን? ቢፎር ጎይንግ ቱ ቤድ ከመሄዷ በፊት ወደ አልጋ ከመሄዷ ኢዝ ጎይንግ ቱ ቤድ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት የነበረ አክሽን ምንድን ነው? ሶ ምንድነው ይሄኛው ቢፎር ጎይንግ ቱ ማለት ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ ነው። ስለዚህ ከፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒዩስ ቴንስ በፊት የነበረ ቴንስ ምንድነው? ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር የሚገባው ምንድነው? ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ ሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ ይሆናል። ሶ ኤ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኤ Okay, question number 33. I would rather you blank here tomorrow. Come, came, coming, or came. I would rather you blank here tomorrow. Come, came, coming, or came. So I would rather. Experiment window simple past tense. It expresses simple past tense. Simple past. So B is the correct answer. Okay. The child blank asleep before the guests arrived. 34ኛ question number 34. The child blank asleep before the guests arrived. That is imminent second action. Second action. So first action ወይም the idle action የሚባላል እዚህ first action in simple past I mean past perfect so had fallen is the correct answer. ስለዚህ ሲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሲ had fallen. Okay, 35. He said that he blank the book already. He said that he blanked the book already. A. Reads. B. Read. C. Had read. D. Has read. So what's your answer? Can you try? So ምንድነው he said that ስለዚህ ከዚህ በፊት የነበረ አክሽን አለ። so ምንድነው he said that he blanked the book already. So another action before this one there were another action that is simple I mean past perfect tense. So C is the correct answer. Had read. 36. The match blanked by the time we reached the stadium. The match blanked by the time we reached the stadium. A. Started. B. Has started. C. Had started. D. Started. The match blanked by the time we reached the stadium. So what's your answer? Started, had started, D. Started. So ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር that is the same as to the upper. ይሄንን simple past tense. ሲምፕል ፓስት። ስለዚህ ከዚህ ቀድሞ የሚመጣው ምንድን ነው? እዚህ ጋር የሚመጣው ምንድን ነው? ፓስት ፐርፌክት። ፓስት ፐርፌክት። ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ had started, C is the correct answer. If you are said C, you are right. Okay. Question number 37. 37. She blank for the company when the accident occurred. She blank for the company when the accident occurred. A. Worked. B. Was working. C. Has worked. D. had worked. እዚህ ጋር ምን አለው? ሲምፕል ፓስት ያንሳል። ሲምፕል ፓስት it is second action. So መልሱ የሚሆነው ምንድን ነው? past perfect tense. The first action. So hard work ይሆናል ማለት ነው። By 2030, scientists blank a cure for many diseases. A. Discover. B. Discovered. C. Have discovered. D. Have discovered. So this indicates the future perfect. Yes, future perfect. ስለዚህ C will have discovered ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ C ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ ማለት ነው። ሰላሳ ዘጠኝ 39 I wish you blank making so much noise. A. Stop. B. Stopped it. C. Had stopped it. D. Had stopped it. So wish ምንድን ነው ያልቀደም? wish plus simple past tense. Simple past or V2. So from this one, B is the correct answer. Arvaniel. Question number 14. How do they left earlier they blank the flight? A. Catch. B. Would catch. C. Would have caught. D. Caught. So ይህን ጥያቄ ስሩና መልሱን ኮሜንት ያስቀምጡልኝ። Put your answer. Put your answer in a comment section. ኮሜንት መስጫ ላይ ጥያቄ በራሳችሁ ሰርታችሁ መልሱ ታስቀምጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። Had they left earlier they blank the flight. Catch, would have caught, they had caught. የዛሬው ጥያቄ ይሄ መስራት። ስለዚህ ይህን ቻናል ማለትም ብርሃን አካዳሚን ላይክ ሳብስክራይብ በመሆን ቤተሰብ ሁኑ እያልኩኝ የተለያዩ የእንግሊዝኛ፣ የማትስ፣ የፊዚክስ እንደውም የኬሚስትሪ ጥያቄዎች ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እና ለማንኛውም ለኪውዝም ለሚድ ኤግዛምም እና ለተለያዩ ፈተናዎች እናዘጋጃለን ማለት ነው። ለፈተና አይደለም ለተለያዩ ኖቶች እናቀርባለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቪዲዮውን ላይክ እንዲሁም ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ በማለት ተሰናበትኳችሁ። መልካም እድል።